Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. This is the BMW X5. This is the F15 model that we've been working on, so it's an 18 plate. What I'll be showing you in this short video is a bit about the products that we've installed. So to start with, we've got the Vodafone Automotive Protect and Connect 6. So this system is one below the category 5 tracking system. So the difference is basically exactly the same. It's got the same My Connected Car app. The only thing it hasn't got is your ADR tags, which is your driver recognition tag. So that's the card there. So it's really easy to use application, really good system as well. So we install this quite a lot. So it's one of our most popular tracking systems that we do. And then second of all, we've got the Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser. So as many of you know, this is quite a common sort of security upgrade. So this is obviously a hybrid vehicle. So what we've got here, so if I started the vehicle, so if I start the vehicle now, obviously I'm in a hybrid mode and I try drive the vehicle away. So I'm going to put it into drive, and as I try to drive away, on the hybrid version, it's quite a bit different. So you are able to drive away, and then as soon as the engine kicks in, vehicle stops. I can't do anything. That's it. I'm stuck. So the way the Ghost has kicked in there is obviously as soon as an engine comes through, it cuts out the car. So obviously it's a really good system. We've used the Ghost quite a bit. It really does complement itself alongside a tracking system. So now I've reset the system. So if I do ignition, and for demonstration purposes, basically what Ghost does, I've done a couple of other videos explaining it in a bit more detail, but basically it uses your factory buttons to immobilize the vehicle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push in my key code. This is just for demonstration purposes and will be changed. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I then get 2 clicks on the display there. Now when I start my car, I can put it in drive and I'm good to go without any hesitation whatsoever. So and that's basically the system. So it uses your factory buttons, comes with something called service mode as well, which I've gone through in a couple of other different videos. I'll pop all the links in the description below. So thank you very much for watching. This is the BMW F15 hybrid on an 18 plate. So thank you very much again for watching, and we look forward to working on your car soon. Thank you.